Welcome to Brothers Air Conditioning, your trusted partner for HVACR solutions. We are Pakistan's leading provider with a skilled team and advanced tools to tackle any HVACR challenge.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हुमैर अहमद, CEO ब्रदर्स एयर कंडीशनिंग। मैंने ये कंपनी 2004 में शुरू की क्योंकि मुझे इस मुल्क की HVACR इंडस्ट्री में बहुत पोटेंशियल नज़र आया। ब्रदर्स एयर कंडीशनिंग कंप्लीट HVACR सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड कर रही है कस्टमर्स को, जिनमें सर्विसेज, OEM स्पेयर पार्ट्स, यूरोपियन यूनियन से यूज मशीनें और टर्न की प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं।
Are you in need of top quality HVAC chillers for your projects? Look no further. At Brothers Air Conditioning, we bring you a seamless solution for importing HVAC chillers from Europe. Our meticulous process begins with a thorough inspection of each chiller. Our CEO examines every component, ensuring that the chiller meets our stringent quality standards. Once the chiller passes our stringent quality checks, we take care of the logistics. We handle the import process and safely transport the chiller to our spacious and secure warehouse, where it awaits deployment to your desired location. When it comes to operation, maintenance, and inspection of HVACR chillers, Brothers Air Conditioning is your trusted partner. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians is equipped with extensive knowledge and experience in chiller operations. They ensure optimal performance by latest equipments. Documentation is a crucial aspect of our service. Our technicians meticulously records all maintenance and inspection procedures, providing you with a detailed report. This documentation serves as a valuable reference, allowing you to track the history of your chiller's maintenance and make informed decisions for its upkeep. Our experienced team handles everything from design to installation, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free process. Trust Brothers Air Conditioning for reliable and efficient HVACR turnkey projects. Our vast inventory includes all brands of OEM spare parts meticulously sourced from different countries. Your trust partner for excellence in HVACR solutions. Contact us today and experience our commitment to customer satisfaction and outstanding results.